Hello and welcome to this big and beautiful Beneteau Oceanis 500 from 1990, offered for sale by Vancouver Yacht Sales by United City Yachts, Canada's yacht sales network. Now this is a 360-degree video tour. You don't have to look at me the whole time. Use your finger, your mouse, and you can scroll left and right, up and down. You can even zoom in and out when I walk you through the layout and point out a couple of the features. This is a very well-equipped 5-cabin, 4-head mono-hulled sailboat. Way up in the bow, accessible through a hatch in the foredeck, you have the skipper or crew accommodation with 2 single berths and a manual toilet. Just after that, you have these 2 forward staterooms, each with their own private ensuite head with manual toilet, sink and shower, and nice vanities. For accommodations aft, you have 2 staterooms, both on port and starboard. Over here on starboard, you have the 4th head with an electric toilet, sink, shower, and vanity. You can access it here for a day head. There's also a second door there. You can use it as a private ensuite from the aft starboard. Over here on port, which was the 5th head, has now been converted to a mechanical room, which houses the Panda Fisher genset. Boat's got a hydronic heating system with individual temperature controls for all 4 cabins, and you also have an air conditioner unit which cools off the salon area here. You want to come over here and see some cool stuff. First off, you've got Ginormous Freezer and refrigerator. These are super deep. It's hard to find more cold food storage space on any other boat around. You've got Xantrex battery charger inverter. This was new in 2017 along with a whole house battery bank. Also have a nice Blue Seas battery monitor there. Shows you how much power is coming in and out of the boat at all times. And here's a nice ICOM VHF radio. Up top at the helm, you also have a new, in 2018, Raymarine touchscreen chart plotter with radar. Another great feature. Heading over here into the galley, very nice Dickinson 3-burner propane stove with oven. This was also new in 2017, along with the entire propane system, lines, fittings, the works all replaced. You got very nice, very deep double basin stainless steel sink. And the faucet comes out here, makes washing dishes very, very easy. Finally, I'll bring you over here and have a look at this dinette area here. Comfortable seating for 8 people. You could squeeze more on if you had a big party. You got a little bottle storage tucked in there, and that flips over for cup holders. Nice little feature there. If you're in the market for a big and beautiful sailboat to house all your friends and family, this would be a great boat worth a second look. Please get in touch with me, Sam, at Vancouver Yacht Sales by phone or email anytime. Happy to get you on board for a private showing soon. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.